Sino?
Ina. Yung ano, yung kalaban. Sabi ko,
Epic ka na? Epic ka na?
epic 3 na.
Epic pa na si Mama.
Nabigyan ka na?
Oh,
Ang hirap eh. Pag di ko kaya yung character, pinapalaro ko sa kanila. Ako nagpinisip na.
the showed for my
Hindi lang
head.
alam ko.
Saka si Leila. Pero pag pinili na ako,
Wala na. Nagtatay
and I had to turn away, cause I knew all the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. It's when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. You get it, baby, and make me feel like a guilty child. But I realized it never was her style. I wanted her to hurt me, and I treat you like a friend. I wanted her to set her feet someday, crawling on my knees to ask her back again. But she acts like a lady till the end. So that she breaks down, but it's gonna be it's never been down. And I guess she understood in her way, cause we felt so be everything he could not say. When it falls apart, when there's just no easy way, there's just no easy way, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Sila Annalyn? Pinapanood mo yan sila? Nag-asa matay yan eh.
Ah? Matay yun? Wala. Kinikilig ako sa bagong love team niya.
Dati kasi mukha
Bigas na.
I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause maybe I got where we were before.
Ako na?
Ako na.
But to be strangers, wondering if we all should stay or head on out the door.
Parang ano yun sa video?
Just once, can we figure out what we kept doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? So we can let it last for more than one night. Or if we could just make